In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome DNS. Before we begin, a quick heads up about how Chrome handles DNS. Chrome doesn't take over your device's DNS completely. Your computer's operating system still decides where most DNS requests go. What Chrome does let you change is secure DNS, also known as DNS over HTTPS, which encrypts your DNS lookups for added privacy and security inside Chrome. Here's how to turn that on. Open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left, select Privacy and Security, and then click Security. Scroll until you see the option labeled Use Secure DNS. This is the switch that controls DNS over HTTPS in Chrome. Turn that option on. You'll see two choices. You can keep with your current service provider, which tries to use secure DNS with the DNS provider your system already uses, if that provider supports encryption. If it doesn't, Chrome may fall back to regular DNS. Or choose a custom provider from the list. Popular options include Google and Cloudflare. These providers support DNS over HTTPS out of the box, so your lookups in Chrome will be encrypted between your browser and their DNS servers. Once you select a provider, the change takes effect immediately. No restart required. A few tips to keep things smooth. Secure DNS improves privacy by preventing your DNS queries from being visible in plain text on the network, which is especially helpful on public Wi-Fi. That said, some networks, like schools, offices, hotels, or airplanes, may block or intercept encrypted DNS. If web pages stop loading or you're stuck on a login screen for Wi-Fi, go back to the security page and either switch to your current service provider or temporarily turn off Use Secure DNS until you're connected. You can come back and re-enable it later. It's also important to understand the difference between Chrome's setting and your system's DNS setting. Turning on Use Secure DNS affects Chrome's own lookups and is mainly a privacy feature. It does not replace your computer's DNS settings, and it won't change how other apps resolve domain names. If you want full control over DNS for your entire device or network, you would change DNS at the operating system or router level. Today, we focused only on the Chrome setting for Secure DNS. That's it. You've enabled Secure DNS in Chrome and improved your browsing privacy with just a few clicks.